Welcome to RJ Digital, bringing you the latest updates, deep insights, and the stories that matter most to you. I'm your host, Tariq Hashmi. Let's dive right into today's top stories.
RJP Special Report. PM Shehbaz Sharif's major address on U.S. 250th Independence Anniversary. The most important special report at this hour on Radio GV Pakistan Digital. Addressing a special ceremony celebrating the landmark 250th Independence Anniversary of the United States, Prime Minister Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif has stated that the foundation of Pak-US relations spans over decades. He emphasized that this partnership is no longer confined to security cooperation alone, but is now strongly built on trade, innovation, and deep human connectivity. In his significant address, the Prime Minister highlighted that both nations have established a robust and enduring partnership across multiple diverse fields. He commended the thriving cooperation in critical sectors including security, trade, investment, agriculture, science, education, healthcare, and sustainable energy, which continue to strengthen the ties between both societies. Reflecting on crucial turning points in history, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif recalled how the two countries closely worked together during significant eras, including the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan and the global campaign against terrorism. Furthermore, the Prime Minister explicitly acknowledged and paid tribute to U.S. President Donald Trump's constructive role in promoting peace, regional stability, and his efforts in easing tensions across South Asia. As we look ahead, the critical question remains: will this new era of trade and people-to-people exchanges further solidify and elevate Pak-US relations in the future? Share your valuable thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. This is Radio GV Pakistan Digital.
Thank you for joining us today on RJP Digital. We hope today's insights leave you informed, engaged, and inspired. Until next time, take care and stay connected with the news, informations that matter.
आपकी और हमारी पहचान
FM GV पाकिस्तान।
चारों तरफ बिखरे रंग आपके अपनों के संग FM 97, 98, 99 और 100 पर ये है रेडियो जीवे पाकिस्तान, दिलों की धड़कन।